For this video, we are going to learn how to create another user in our Windows Remote Desktop. Let's go! In your Remote Desktop, search Users. You'll see Add, Edit, or Remove Other Users. Click on it. In this part, press on plus to add another person. In this tab, go to the Users, right-click, press on New User, type the name of it, set a password for it. Disable user must change password after next login. And then press on Create. And as you can see, this user is created. The other thing that you must check is open the File Explorer. In here, go to the Disk PC and then click on the Properties. In this part, you'll see Remote Settings. Click on it, and in here, you will need to see that low remote connection to this computer is enabled. Don't set it as disabled. And in here, if you press on Select User, you can choose the user that has this ability to connect into this remote. So right now, I create another user, so I need to press on Add. In here, I click on Advanced. From this menu, I will need to find the user I recently created. I click on it and then press on OK. It's on OK, press on OK. Again OK, and close these things. You can also set the new account as an administrator instead of a standard user. To do that, press on Change Account Type. In here, instead of a standard user, change it to administrator. And then press on OK. If this content helps you, don't forget to press like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how to become master of using AI. See you there.